What's up? Just Smell So Good Nation. Tell me something. Are you learning dumb fundamentals that does not work? You have read so many books that none of them have solved none of your problems. Have you tried some of the actions that you read in books and no resolutions has come? That means the resolution: no money, no growth, nothing. If you are one of those people who looking to change and you're looking for a sound book that can change your life fundamentally, mentally, and money wise, buy your book called The Business Hustle. This book will outline the situation of a business, how to grow sales, how to meet and greet people, how to do business as a business owner. Know your numbers before you leap into something that does not solve your problem. How to market your business. I market my business in several different ways: flyers, TikTok, Google, Facebook. What do that allows you to do? What does that allow you to achieve? We're also running a Zoom on justsmellsogood.com. On justsmellsogood.com, we are running a Zoom that helps the business person like yourself grow a business. You can talk to me, consult with me. But first of all, buy this book. Buy Business Hustle On. Now, I tell you to buy when I really don't need you to buy. But I know so many people need help. I just recently downloaded Audible and listened to it for 3 hours on this rainy Tuesday and Monday. I downloaded it on Monday, listen an hour and a half. Listen to other hour and a half on Tuesday on the rainy day. And you know what? I was physically exhausted because all the author talked about was himself. Not how you can achieve the goal, how he achieved the goal, how he got fired, how he lost his job, how he lost credibility, it wasn't about you. This book is about you. It's not about me. It's what I have learned to help you solve these problems. If you're listening and if you're looking and you want to help solve your problem, you don't have to buy this book. But if you go check it out, the links down below will help you achieve the goal that you want to achieve in business for the rest of this year, for the rest of your life. Fundamentals that help you win. Welcome to the Just Smell So Good Nation.